As we've discussed earlier about candlesticks, in this video we'll be talking about candlestick patterns. And if you can recall, you remember we basically said candlesticks come in different shapes and they all tell a trader a story. Okay, it can be short and it can be long, but in a nutshell, it tells us traders stories. Now, candlestick patterns are patterns formed based on the reaction of buyers and sellers in the market. These patterns carry a certain significance and also give we traders an insight into what might happen next if utilized properly. There are tons of candlestick patterns, but we at Unknown Satoshi, we would not waste your time but give you the right insight into those that are important and needful for your trading. We'll be talking about the following candlesticks you see on the screen: the morning star, evening star, the bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing, the doji, the hammer, and the harami. Now, let's start with the first one, which is the morning and evening star. Now, when we talk about the morning and evening star candlestick, these are patterns that would basically occur at the end of an upward or downward trend, respectively, okay? And they tend to indicate a reversal patterns. You can see right here, it's a three candlestick based pattern. It's a three candlestick based pattern. And if you can remember vividly when we were talking about market structure and swing points, we said swing points are three candlestick based patterns. So you should always understand that whatever swing point you're looking at, there is bound to be a star pattern there, be it a morning star if it's a downtrend, and if it's a swing low, or a evening star if it is a swing high. And the names of the chart pattern actually comes from the formation in which it is being arranged. As you can see in the image, like I've said previously, where it's a three candlestick based pattern, it appears like at the bottom with a star format. That is how it is on every chart you check in the financial markets. So you should get your eyes peeled up for it next time when you're looking to trade. It will help you in understanding where and when price is heading to next. The next candlestick pattern we'll be talking about is the bullish and the bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. Now, the bullish or the bearish engulfing candlestick pattern may indicate a potential reversal, okay? A potential reversal. Now, a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern shows you that the bulls have outweighed the bears, okay? The bulls has outweighed the bears, and you can see right here, we have a big bullish candle and a small bearish candle. And you can see the bearish candle is covered completely by the bullish candle. That is what it means for a candle to be bullishly engulfed. And for a bearish engulfing candle, it is a small green candle and a big bearish candle. As you can see right here, small red candle, big bullish candle. So that is what a bullish and a bearish engulfing candle is. Once you see this, understand that there might be a potential reversal occurring. If you see this in a downtrend, there should be signs of a market structure break. And if you see this in a downtrend, there should be in an uptrend, there should be signs of a market structure break. Now, let's talk about the doji. I know you might be wondering why we're having three dojis on this video. Well, that's what doji is all about. Dojis are of three types. We have the dragonfly doji, the long-legged doji, and the gravestone doji. Well, they are all dojis in general, as the major characteristic is basically they having small body, very, very little body, where the open and close are relatively the same. Now, the doji candlestick pattern is basically associated with indecision in price, okay? Indecision in price, which means we don't know where price is likely to head to next. So we should be basically looking for another type of chart pattern to support it and give us an instance, okay? So basically, when we see a doji, it means that there's indecision in the market in that asset, which could mean a potential sign of reversal or a continuation. So it depends on where you basically find them in the market. They can be found at the top, at the bottom, at the middle of the market, but it is wherever it is found, okay? Wherever it is found is what gives us an insight into where the market is likely to go to next. And as I said previously, they can have very, very small bodies. So you should be able to cite them any single time you find them on the chart. Now, let's go to the next one, which is the hammer. Okay, the hammer. From the name which it entails, it basically looks like an hammer when you look at it, a long body and a head, the same way an hammer is in the real life. And an hammer candle, and hammer candlestick pattern is viewed as a bullish or bearish type of reversal candlestick. Now, this is a bearish hammer. When we find a bearish hammer, we always find a bearish hammer at the top of a trending market, which gives you an insight that there's a potential reversal coming in very, very soon in the market. And when you find a bearish hammer, which is this one right here, it gives us an insight that price is bound to go bullish very, very soon. So if a market is going up and you find this type of candlestick right there, it's a bearish one, which tells you that price is about to go down soon. And if the price is going down and you find this type of candle, it's giving you an insight that price is about to go up. So far, they have found that significant areas in the market, such as support or resistance, supply or demand, or certain order blocks. Okay, now to the last one, we're talking about the harami. Now, the harami, the name might sound very, very scared, but trust me, it is not a very, very scary candle. Okay, when we talk about an harami, it can be bullish or bearish, and we're basically telling you that it's a reversal chart pattern. Now, the name harami was derived from the Japanese word harami, which means pregnant. And if you look at this properly, it looks like a pregnant woman. Okay, it looks like a pregnant woman. And the name given to this is because of it resembles a pregnant woman. And we have a big candle before a small candle. Okay, a big candle before a small candle, and that small candle is completely inside the big candle, which is about to tell you that there is a delivery awaiting to actually go up. Okay, so when you find a bullish harami, you find it at the bottom of the trend, and when you find a bearish harami, you find it at the top of the trend, the same way it is represented on this chart. Okay, now the downtrend will favor a bullish harami. Okay, when price is going down, you want to see this down. When price is going up, you want to see this up. All these candlesticks can be easily spotted on the chart. You just need to keep your eyes out for them and learn to engage, look at the markets to just spot them. You'll get more of this in the assignment section. Good luck and good trading. Bye for now.